Yes guys, so this is the last part of the chain. Yeah, and it's the roller link. So, or the inner link. Yeah, so we shall start straight away and shall do almost the same thing, but I'll show you something that I saw later on after finishing the other video. And this is this distance. Yeah, so remember to use 7.94 times 2. Yeah, I remember I used 7.07 millimeters times 2. However, that wasn't the actual linear dimension. Yeah, it was at an angle. Yeah, so that's the only difference. And in case you're practicing, please remember to change it. Yeah. All right, so this will remain almost the same, the other one, and we shall have 4.5 diameter, something like this one, 4.5 diameter. Yes, then here, so I have some 2 circles. And did the measuring 5.13 times 2, which is 10.26. Like that. And you also have circle that touches the 2. So we are deleting this. It's not what we wanted. Tap on that. Oops. Okay, you must select a perimeter circle. Then you move out until you get a thing you want. That's it. So it's supposed to be 30 because I have a radius of 15. So you can also mirror this or decide to do it again, whichever way that is easier for you. Please do that. Things are not fixed as such. Okay. Yeah, so we are trimming. You can come here and say fully define the sketch, calculate, and you say okay. Yeah, so we are going to extrude this 1.5 like that. The next part is going to be sketching still, and this time round we are using this as our center like that. Can convert this, say okay. We'll do the same thing for this side, or you can mirror, whichever that is faster for you, you do that. Okay, so here, oh, this has gone beyond, so I'll just dimension it 4.5 like that. You're going to extrude these items we've just sketched, and it'll be 8 like that. Yeah, so for now we shall not merge. Remember, these are normally separate points that are pressed in. Yeah, so that's the first part. We shall tap here, or we can decide to mirror and say Yes, sketch. So with that, can convert entity, and we do the same for this part, like that. Yeah, so to save time, please remember to use convert entity. It will save you a lot of time. All right, so we shall extrude going out through 1.5. We want to merge. Yeah, and this is our red link. Thank you so much. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Yeah, this is it. Just to evaluate and see the distance between this. It's 80 millimeters. Yeah, I think we are on the right track. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.